Hey everybody, George Chamberlin here, watching your dollars on this Thursday, the 17th of May, the day before the big IPO of Facebook. I don't want to talk about Facebook today. I'll give you everything you need to know tomorrow about Facebook. This is a very interesting story that's unfolded yesterday. Skechers, they make a lot of shoes. I don't want to say they're athletic shoes, but they made shoes that became very popular with skateboarders and people like that. They agreed yesterday to pay a $40 million fine to the Federal Trade Commission over advertising claims about the benefits of their toning shoes. Mike, let's show people what these shoes are all about here. This is I clicked on a website here. These are those goofy shoes with the rounded bottoms, okay, and they're very popular. There's all kinds of them. That's kind of an ugly shoe there. And here, this is a good example here. This is what they kind of look like. They've got that rounded bottom so that you kind of forces you to rotate. Heel toe kind of thing going on there. And well, you know what I should have got here? I probably could find one real quick. They hired Kim Kardashian to pitch the shoes on TV and stuff like that. And their line was something to the effect of, you can get in shape without ever going into a gym. Well, there were a lot of questions about whether or not those were legitimate claims, and it looked like it was going to turn into a big, long, drawn-out lawsuit. So Skechers said, listen, forget it. We'll just pay a $40 million fine and move on. They say that they believe that the shoes do have a physical benefit to people who use them, who walk in them, and they're going to continue to market them, continue to sell them. They're just going to have to change their advertising pitch a little bit. I just thought this was a very interesting story. They're kind of goofy looking. My wife wears them sometimes, but what are you going to do? Whatever works, whatever makes you feel good. And you can see how they would have an impact on your legs, but whether or not it's as up to the levels that they suggested in their advertising, only time will tell. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good one.